What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. The application and we are reviewing today is AIApply. Purpose of AIApply is that it automates your job research method and process. It can find jobs, generate resume, generate cover letters, and do the application for you. And then that way, you will be able to get the best output and the best results from a job application. So the chances of getting a job using this application will get higher. So I'm just gonna go through their website and see how they actually appraise and the pricing plans according to the features they are offering, and then we're gonna read some bunch of the reviews over the internet using the Trustpilot and Reddit application to see how the real users who have actually used this application of how did this application performs for them. So we're just gonna go through this website. First of all, as you guys can see that this is a well-built website which says start now for free, and by clicking on that we'll be able to create an account on the AIApply platform. So swipe down, we'll see some bunch of the results that they have done, the platforms where the people have got all jobs using this sort of application. And you will see different sort of this section right here: AI resume builder, AI cover letter, auto apply, AI interview practice, interview buddy, resume translator, and we help job seekers succeed. So simply, there are a bunch of reviews over the internet. You guys can read them out by yourself by just pausing the video. And we're gonna go and see what are the plans that they are offering right now. By clicking on the pricing, we'll be redirected to the pricing plans right now. There are one plan that they are selling with three different sort of payment methods. One is monthly, second one is quarterly, and third one is yearly. So for the monthly basis, it will charge you like $29 a month. For the quarterly basis, it will charge you like $19 a month. And for the yearly basis, it will only charge you $16 a month. So for me, I think personally, $19 a month is the best option you guys can get. So let's dive right into the Trustpilot and see how real people have rated it over the internet. So as you guys can see that only 226 people have rated it, and the review rating is pretty good, standing out at 4.4 star. And here you guys can see that the verified company, I'm showing you legitimate and honest stuff, and there is no sort of scam or any sort of publication of in platform which is not authentic. So here you guys can see that 75% of the people have rated 5 star. It means that this platform actually stands out among the other competitors in the industry. So if we go to the reviews, it says that let's cut to the chase. Let's cut to the chase. Yeah, Apply actually works. Use it for 2 weeks, spend $19, 93 interviews. Their AI crafts cover letter that don't sounds like robot wrote them. And the resume builder actually gets your experience past those annoying tracking system. Time saved is equals to sanity kept. So the other person is saying that visual thinker rejoice. This is a magical streaming line plat portal. Application kits are beautiful. I really enjoy using this portal. Go ahead, it's quick and practical. Highly recommend it. So far, so good. Job search tool that simplifies success. It's amazing. Didn't not function, no customer support. So these are some of the reviews over the internet. I hope you found this really helpful and meaningful and knowledgeable. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share. Take care. Bye bye.